Today I'm going to show you Peggy Pegs, one of my favourite accessories in the motorhome. Let's open up and see what we get. There's some brochures, some display cards showing you how to use the Peggy Pegs. I've actually decanted my pegs and so forth into Ziploc bags just to keep them separated and so I know what's what. There's a number of pegs. Most important bits are the feet, which your awning legs lock into, and I'll show you how to use those as we go along in the video. Lots of different types of pegs for different grounds, very easy to use, so let's get into it. As you can see here, these are the different pegs you get, and the display card actually shows you what type of peg for what type of ground. I tend to use these blue ones most of the time. There's a couple of large orange ones. There's a tool for manually screwing the pegs into the ground if you need, and these little latch onto the pegs to allow you to put ropes and so forth on. They attach to each of the pegs. There is a drill bit attachment you can get if you use a hand drill or battery drill. It's very handy. It also fits into the hand tool as well, allowing you to screw the pegs in manually. So let's get into how you actually fix the base plates. Here I've got a base plate with just two of the blue pegs. What I'm going to do is show you how to fix the awning arm into the Peggy Peg base plate. What I do is position it roughly in place. I put one peg in, but I don't put it in solid. I leave a little bit of wiggle room. Then I put the other peg in to tighten down to the ground, and then go back to the first peg and tighten that into the ground once I know I'm straight and so forth. Then you simply slide the orange tabs out, put the awning arm in and slide them in. And now the awning arm is fixed securely. Very quickly to get out if you need. Another method to secure the pegs into the ground is to use these orange turnbuckles. You simply screw them onto the peg, then you screw the peg to the ground, and then you tighten the turnbuckles down onto the clamping plate. I'll show you how that's done. So screw the peg, not all the way, on both sides, and then you simply turn the buckles down and this tensions up the plate. Removal is a simple process. Slide the orange tabs out, remove the awning arm, and then unscrew your pegs. Very, very simple. There are many attachments that can come with the Peggy Peg system. Some are clamps, some are hooks, so forth. There's some orange style tabs that slide into the track of the awning, and then the blue tabs hook onto these, and you can hook various things onto those. So let's see how I use them. So here's one example where I've slid an orange tab into the awning track and then hooked on one of the clamping mechanisms to hang towels, so forth. You can also use guide ropes with these. Really, the possibilities are endless. Clamping is easy. You simply lift the arm. They've got some teeth inside which can clamp to, and they simply clip on, clip off very easily. I actually use a couple of these on the awning arm to stop it sliding, rather than over tightening the bolt. I do both. I tighten the bolt and then I just use these to clamp to stop the arms sliding down. Works very effectively.